Hi, my name's Jane and I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw a guinea pig. So we're going to start with the shape of his body. It's kind of like a irregular bean shape. And this, I'm going to go up a little bit here. And then we're going to draw his ears. They're like C shapes but backwards. And his eyes. And his nose. There's his mouth. It's just a line. And tiny little paws. And I'm going to draw a couple of patches of different colors just to give him some fur. There you have it. That's how you draw a guinea pig.